Hi there, my name's Andrew Adams from Parker Adams Boat Sales. I'm here in Bangor Marina today and I have behind me a pretty breathtaking Bluewater Liveaboard cruiser. There's not many walkthrough tours that make me slightly nervous in doing them nowadays. This one does, and the reason is because I want to make sure that I do justice to this stunning boat. I'm not an expert in blue water cruising, I'm not an expert in sailing boats, but what I can see is a beautiful boat when it's presented to me. All of the offshore credentials of this boat are going to be in the specifications and in the descriptions which are available online for this boat. So what I'm here to do today is just to show you around the boat, give you a feel for the boat, but I have to say this is one of the most special sailing boats I personally have ever been on. The owners live aboard it at the moment. The boat is in breathtaking condition. It's a 1994 laid up hull, but in fact the boat didn't actually get launched until around about 2009. The owner of this boat actually worked on the boat as a shipwright and helped build the boat, and then had an opportunity to buy her in 2006 before launching 3 years later. So it's a boat that really has been built with love. They have done blue water cruising in it. They've been around the Mediterranean, they've been down to the Azores, and it is a boat that is beautifully equipped, completely ready to go. It's got solar, it's got wind generation, it's got redundancy built throughout the boat. It's a rolled steel boat. It's 6mm rolled steel on the hull, which is more than the usual 4mm on a boat of this type, and it really is breathtaking. So as I'm going to walk through the boat, I'm going to show you what I see, which is a stunning boat. Any questions you've got about the blue water credentials, the owner that will be doing viewings themselves here in Bangor Marina, he's an absolute expert on this boat. Nobody knows the boat better, and we'll be delighted to answer any of your questions. So if you inquire about the boat, I'll put you directly in touch with the owner. But this is something very, very special, and I'm excited to get your thoughts on the boat, and hopefully you're as excited to see it as I've been to look over it. So even stepping on board the boat, it feels special. I just love this cutout stern. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 steps up, and that then brings you up onto this aft deck area. The boat's presented in beautiful condition throughout. Wherever there is stainless steel, it's polished, it's presented so well. Up on the top there you have a solar array, so you've got the ability to have solar power, which is topping up the batteries at all times. You've got a wind generator there as well. All of the hatches, obviously deep water protected hatches. You've got life raft. These ventilation all beautifully presented, and from a sailing point of view, she's a incredibly capable sailing boat. She's equipped with 1,000 litres of fuel, 1,000 litres of water, so really does have a huge offshore capability. But walking around the boat, it's very easy to walk around. You've got beautiful handrails all the way down here, which are in stunning condition. You can see the mast up there. You've got steps all the way up the mast, so if you do have a problem when you're out at sea, you've got easy access to get up the mast. And then as you step down here, I'll just go over the foresail line. You've got good walk-arounds all the way around, really big, thick, sturdy standing rigging on here, all beautifully presented, which then brings you onto the bow area. So on the bow, it's a large area. This would be a beautiful place. Have a hammock, have cushions, relax, spend serious amounts of time on the water, and of course all of the hatches that you can see here, they're all beautifully installed. If you look inside, the woodwork that's below on those hatches is just beautiful, and the windows. All the way around it, wherever you see teak, the teak is just beautifully presented, pretty much like it's just been installed. I would say that the person who built this boat probably has a teak factory. There's so much beautiful wood in here, but it's been designed by an absolute master craftsman. So there's so many little touches of woodwork in here, which makes this boat feel just such a premium boat. All of these windows have been replaced in recent years, so the boat feels incredibly fresh and new. You've got glass there, which is so important, so if you are out at sea, you're looking through a proper glass windscreen, so it's much easier to see out and where you're going. And then as you step inside, so let's go in here, the first thing that struck me was the smell of wood. The smell of wood in here is almost overpowering. There's so much wood around, and it is all, I mean, it looks like it's just been installed. The first thing I said when I stepped on board and said to the owner, I said, is this new teak on here? Because that's just how it feels. It is absolutely beautiful. Everywhere you look is presented so well. Leather-bound steering wheel, full Raymarine suite. So if I open these up, you've got your tri-data inside there, you've got your wind instruments, you've got a compass, and then underneath here, I believe you have an autopilot. So autopilot system is there. Raymarine E80, so proper work, also a chart plotter as well. You've got seating all the way around here. So if you're down here and the weather's awful and you're stuck in a storm, it's cosy. You'd feel safe and protected. All the way around, the woodwork is beautiful. The cushions are in beautiful order. The winches are all nice and easy to hand, and it just has that feeling of a very special boat. But this is what really blew me away. When you come down the stairs, I have not been on a Bluewater Cruiser that feels as special as that. That view there really took my breath away. And what I love about it is all of the curves, all of the design cues that have gone into this boat. If I come and sit around here, I just love all the woodworking. I mean, that is just an absolute thing of beauty. The woodwork is designed fantastically. I love the fact that this galley is right in the middle of the boat, so it's a real central place to be. All the Korean worktops, all obviously custom built. You've got a gas hob there, which looks like it's almost like a pizza oven hood. That's all custom fitted there. All the trims around the windows, these are all handmade, and they are absolutely beautiful. Spice racks, twin hob. But that social space here, when you're in the galley area and looking around, I hope this video comes across just how special the boat feels. It also smells warm down here. It just feels like a very special boat. I love the fact that all these little touches there, so the steps that go up to the top there, they're all curved, so it feels really sumptuous. The carpet down below here is really special. That's obviously pretty new. If it's not new, then they've kept it in remarkable order. Your chart table is here, all drawers, full systems and controls here, so you've got access to your water tanks, your fuel tanks, your waste control systems, all operated from in here. And then up here you have this amazing array of all of the systems on board the boat, so that's where you turn on all of your isolators. The boat itself is fitted with a heating system, so it's actually got twin Eberspacher heating systems, and it's actually got a wet system on board as well, so you've got radiators on this boat, which is all supplied through the wet system. Let's carry on forward first. You've got these two little sleeping areas here, so there's like sort of a day bed area here, and then another seat here. The wood, as I've mentioned, is just beautiful, totally throughout. Everywhere you look, there is somebody who's built this. It's clearly a master craftsman. All the cupboards all around here, and then you step down 2 steps, and then this is the heads compartment. Again, very nice, high quality wood, lots of light coming through, a shower and a washing machine tucked inside there. The work surfaces, which are in the kitchen, have been used down here as well, so it feels very consistent. I like that little shower sort of inset down in there. It gives just a little attention to detail and touches like that. And that leads us into what is effectively the second cabin. Again, the woodwork all the way around. This boat is also beautifully insulated, so it's a bit of a mess. Is also beautifully insulated. So, as I mentioned, it's a steel-hulled boat, but it's actually got epoxy over the top of that. So when anyone looks at this boat, you wouldn't necessarily know that it was a steel hull, but it's built for long distance. It's a heavy boat, over 25 tons. So if you're caught out in the sea, this boat is going to look after you and your family. The wood around here makes this cabin feel really cosy. You've got obviously storage space all the way around, little changing seat down there, separate controls there for the Eberspacher system, and a double bed. And then as you walk through here, again, I'm trying to sort of give you that feel around the boat, because it does feel so special. Lovely big table, television behind. The wood throughout the boat just makes it feel so sumptuous. The curves are beautiful. I love the fact that all these ends they're all curved around, and I feel like all the little design cues everywhere pick up. The boat just feels so consistent throughout. As we walk backwards here, you've got another sort of day berth here. DVDs along the side there. And then inside the master cabin at the stern, a really good sized berth, lots of light coming through from all angles, lots and lots of storage space. This boat is designed to, live aboard for years at a time. And then again, a lovely head compartment. Once again, this doubles up as a wet room in here. You can see a towel rail there, which is utilising that wet system. Cupboards all throughout. But everywhere you look, there's just beautiful wooden joinery, and it feels such a special boat. Because of the long distance cruising element of it, it is set up for that long distance travelling. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, I'm no expert at long distance cruising, so I'm going to put in all of the specifications for the batteries, the solar, and everything that it's got. But I will just give you a sneak peek into the workshop. So, as with most long distance cruises, they have an area to work on in case things do break when you're out at sea. And this is your workshop. Love the fact there's a vise down here. Everything is beautifully stored, all the bolts, nuts, all stainless steel obviously, and they're all in here, so all of your spares in here. And then inside this locker here, pop that down. Inside here, the owner ran through these systems with me. You have a battery charger, you've got a spare battery charger, so if that battery charger breaks, you've got access to another one. You've got inverter systems, you've got the pumps here for the refrigeration units, you've got a freezer and obviously a fridge on there. This is all temperature controlled, so if this room here starts to get hot, a fan kicks in and sucks all the air out and puts that down into the bilge. Then inside here, you have what's called a day tank. Again, I'm not familiar with this, but this is a way of monitoring your fuel used on a daily basis. So the fuel is sucked up from the main diesel tanks, put into here, and you can see exactly how much you're using on a day-to-day basis, which is so important when you're on a long-distance cruise. So this is a really, really nice... I'm just going to pop that back. Pop that into there, and there's also a hatch in here as well, so we can lift that up, and that then gives you access there to give you a nice amount of air airflow coming through there if you're out in the tropics. Good headroom height throughout as well, so although this is the workshop, you can see I've got really good standing height there. And throughout the boat, again, good standing height everywhere. If you were 6 foot tall, you'd still be able to stand down here. I'm about 5'9", 5'10", and there's plenty of headroom here as well. Engine wise, so really good powerful engine. I'll put all the specifications for the engine down there. It's a Perkins Sabre engine. I believe the owner said it was 80 horsepower, but he said the beauty of that is it's a powerful engine. So if you're punching a tide, if you're caught in a tidal race somewhere, you can pop the engine on and it will push the boat along, comfortably at 6 plus knots through a tide. So let's have another quick look around and just a quick scan about the place. So I'm hoping that I've done this boat justice. It is a boat that it quite literally took my breath away. When I came down below, I just love the curves. I love the feeling of this boat is that it's been designed and it's been built by somebody who absolutely loves this boat. So the owner has lived on board the boat for quite a number of years, but when you look around, you would see absolutely zero evidence on board this boat that the owner and his wife actually live on board at the moment, which shows how easy this boat is to live on board. The space works beautifully. As I mentioned at the beginning, this boat is a float down in Bangor Marina, and it is available for viewing straight away. In terms of price-wise, I think for a Bluewater Cruiser of this pedigree, the price is exceptional. So have a look at the price. It'll be on our website, all the specifications for all the details on it. The owner is writing up a really comprehensive, effectively like a workflow for me, so you can see everything this boat's got. But in terms of going away and starting adventures, going around the world, this boat could leave tomorrow. It's totally equipped. It's been set up for long distance travel in absolute comfort. It's been a joy to be on board this boat. It's a little bit different for us showing you these. We have sold Bluewater Cruisers before. As I've said, I'm no expert, but I know a good boat when I see one. And I know that being on board this boat, it feels very, very special. I hope you've enjoyed this, and please do get in touch with us if you think this boat could be the key to your adventures all around the world. Many thanks for watching.